Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 7. We will present about Guber, and before starting the presentation, I will introduce this group, which consists of me, Aditya Irawanto, and there is Mahdi Alif, Irsyad Renaldi, Wirawan Akbar, and Muhammad Nevo. And here we go.
About Guber Company. This is about Guber Company. Guber is one of the fastest growing and most visible tech startup in Indonesia. The courier transport and shopping service legitimate previously informal motorcycle taxi. And Ojek in Indonesian by outfitting with green uniform and helmet, but also by organizing them through our mobile apps, which lets user book driver. We continue the last innovation. We continue the present to the latest innovation and technology to answer various challenges and people daily needs. Even in the midst of pandemic, we don't stop coming up with solutions to help people adapt. Innovation in three-man service that we introduce today is inseparable from this value. We believe that through innovation, we can continue to make people daily life easier, including supporting millions of our driver partners and business partners, especially UMKM players, to continue to grow even in the midst of pandemic. Next. Objective of Guber Company. Objective, which mean are specific things that a company wants to achieve, which are usually used to focus mainly on things that have been officially discussed and agree at the team in Guber Company. There is three point in objective. Point one, convenience. We strive to make customer comfortable with our service. And point two, social impact. We strive to create much social impact as possible for Guber user. Point three, innovation. We are working hard to continuously improve our service, so as to provide more convenience for user. Next. Goals of Guber. Goals are very important because they are targeted that will be achieved in the future. Of course, the Guber Company has been planned for the goals, namely providing the best customer service, including customer comfort and safety, and become the large community and dominating on public transportation in Indonesia. Not only that, we also has a goals to prosper Guber partners and ensure a better standard of living for themselves and their family. Next.
Yeah, and next, Guber has three campaign, and the first one is the campaign "Let's Drive with Us" with Guber. Why will we use this campaign? Because we know the pandemic is not over, and there are still many people who are afraid to travel because the virus is still spreading. And even more, so now that there is new variant, the namely is Omicron, and therefore Guber will run a campaign at the same time, which will give user confidence and that driver has been vaccinated, so that customer are comfortable and not afraid to go out again. And next, and the other campaign, second point is Guber discount 20% and promo code is Goober20. Mm, now we have entered a new normal system in facing the pandemic, where people are slowly starting to carry out their activities again, such as going back to school and working without WFH or work from home system. And therefore, this is 20% discount cashback campaign, which is only valid from Monday until Friday. Will certainly be careful useful for them to make it cheaper to go to their destination. And next, and the last campaign is Goober corporate with restaurant that 100% follow the health protocol. And because basically Goober is motorcycle online taxi online, and then Goober will cooperate with various types of restaurant to provide Goober customer in buying food online. So that it is not difficult for people for to leave the house during pandemic like this. And of course, Goober provide convenience and trust to customer by collaborate with restaurant that 100% have followed health protocols. Next.
And now in this slide, I will explain about STP about Goober. In segmentation, Goober form a segmentation approach that is based on consumer characteristic. Goober divides the market into several groups, namely segmentation towards employees, the general public, and students. In the segmentation, Goober divides the market into lifestyle groups of the people where Goober operates. The target audience for Goober users in the middle class up to the bottom. So if you look at it from the perspective of the target community, Goober and regular object are very different because the usual object system cannot be ordered. We can only use the service if we approach the place and the service provided is only a service to take customers. And people who want convenience because Goober can pick up customers on the spot and provide other service such as food delivery. This makes it easier to meet the needs of the community. And in terms of this segmentation, Goober determines the place of operation, namely in urban areas that are close to office centers and restaurants. And targeting, after evaluating various existing market segments, Goober decided to target the market by carrying out a marketing strategy without difference, namely ignoring difference in market segment and offering one type of product, namely service to the entire market, because the service offered by Goober are felt to be enjoyed or used for all groups ranging from students, employees, and ordinary people. In positioning, Goober wants to be the #1 company that provides pickup and delivery service for food. Goober wants the service provided to answer the problem that exists in the community, so that Goober can provide convenience to the community. Goober also present the advantage of being the only public transportation service that offers pickup and delivery service for food and provides an easy transaction process, and the price is also affordable. And next, in market segmentation, Goober have geographic, demographic, and psychographic. Market segmentation is divided into three, namely geography, demography, and psychography. In geographic, Goober choose Indonesia as his target market. In demographic, Goober has several age categories for the target market. The first is children aged 14 to 17 and adults at 18 years and over. In psychographic, Goober determines its target market is the middle class and upper middle class, men and women, people who are active in traveling, workers, students, and some workers in other fields. And next, we have behavioral. Goober customers will feel comfortable when traveling to carry out their daily activities. In addition, loyal customer who use Goober will get discount voucher that can be used. And next.
And now, social media platforms. Here we choose 3 social media that we think are capable for this Goober. First is Facebook. Facebook we think is capable because Facebook has a variety of users, ranging from children to even parents. Many use Facebook as their social media. Then there is Instagram. Instagram is widely used by children to adults. On Instagram, we can use the service of influencer or artists as parties who can advertise this Goober. And finally, there is YouTube. In recent years, YouTube has been in great demand by various groups. Because on YouTube, we can find a variety of things, whatever it is. Everything from news, entertainment, to even education on YouTube. YouTube has the advantage that they use audiovisual and without any time limit as their delivery medium, which make people interesting watch on YouTube. We also can choose very broadly where we will place ads, starting from entertain video content, advertisement at the beginning of the video, advertisement in the middle of the video, even to advertisement at the end of video. Next. Then we use these 3 influencer or artists as our endorsers. Here is Iqbal Ramadan, Karin Novida are commonly called Au Karin, and Arif Muhammad. We choose them because they are loved by many people and they have a very large following. And we hope they can improve Goober in the future. Next.
And next, pricing Goober rate per kilometer, price and fee for Goober ordering service in the Jabodetabek area. For the first kilometer fee, Goober costs 7,000 IDR, valid for 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock WIB. Well, for the rush hour area Goober charges 10,000 IDR per kilometer for the first kilometer valid and 6 o'clock the 20 o'clock WIB. Because it is 6 o'clock and 20 o'clock of people activity are heading toward the trip, so many roads are jammed. Cause insufficient traffic and especially the Jabodetabek area, the Goober for goes up to 3,000 IDR for to 5,000 IDR kilometer for 10 kilometer trip. Next slide. And freezing Goober rate per kilometer, price and fee for Goober ordering service outside this Jabodetabek area. What distinguishes the Jabodetabek and outside Jabodetabek area, it's a clock. And then clock for the first kilometer rate is only 5,000 IDR. And at 6 o'clock and 20 o'clock WIB for the first 4 kilometer rate is only 7,000 IDR. This is because each region has indifferent income in terms of the minimum wage and income per head of household. Next.
Thank you. The following is a presentation about Goober that our group has explained. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoy it.